Okay, this is a demonstration of Teams that I record, and so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm sharing my Teams meeting with my computer and my mobile. But in real life, I will have an account. Let's say the help desk account was on their computer, and they're contacting the person that has a, that have a that has a problem on their mobile phone. So I have my mobile phone here. So I'm gonna connect to my Teams on mobile phone and join the meeting. So I'm gonna turn off this webcam, sorry. So now I'm joining the meeting on my mobile phone. So now if I share my video, you'll see it. There's a little bit of echo here. Turn off the audio. So now I'm going to share my screen. So I just on the app, you cannot see that now, but I'm on my phone and I say share screen. And now I'm sharing my smartphone screen, and I can show my smartphone screen to the help desk or the person who's in contact with me, and I can go in whatever app I want. And what I'm doing on my smartphone, the person will see it, and maybe they can ask me to go on the appropriate app and show them what is my problem, and then can help to fix my problem. The only thing that I don't have yet, I hope it will come one day, it's the person who's on the computer cannot take control of my screen on my smartphone. That will be cool. Next feature, hopefully that will help the help desk. But here it's pretty cool to be able to see what the end user is doing when he's trying to set up, for example, MFA or whatever apps is struggling with. For example, he has installed a new Office app, and maybe he's trying to do something and he can't succeed, and maybe he doesn't use it correctly. So maybe he can show what he's doing. So that's what I wanted to show, which is pretty powerful, and it is how to use Teams in your mobile environment, especially to share your screen. And when you want to stop, you just have to stop presenting. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed.